I don't even know what to say. My name is Nejma. This is a video. Thank God for editing because all the dumb stuff we say is gone. And we're live. Hey guys, my name is Nejma and welcome to my YouTube channel. I really wanted to film my go-to everyday summer look, and I think this is the easiest thing that I could do. Honestly, I was going for no liner, and then I saw the eyeliner sitting over there and I kind of reached for it. So this look technically wasn't supposed to have eyeliner, but I feel like eyeliner makes me look so much more fierce, I would say. But yeah, so this is my go-to look. I just change up my lip and it makes me look like I tried. Every time I go to work and I put on a lip, it looks like I tried. But yeah, it's like you tried, but like you kind of, it was kind of easy and simple because we just use bronzer for everything. I'm rambling. Anyways, if you guys are new, nice to meet you. My name is Nejma. All types of Nejma, yes. If you guys really like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below what you want to see next. I'm saying a lot. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. Alright, bye guys!
Hello. Okay, so I'm starting off with just brushing my eyebrows with a spoolie and filling in my brows with the Deep Dark Brunette Fluid Line Gel from MAC Cosmetics, and then also using the 263 brush from MAC, which is an amazing brush that I really like to use for brows and liner. And for foundation, I like to mix two different foundations. I'm mixing a Face and Body from MAC Cosmetics in C7 and Too Faced Born This Way in Maple. I have really dry skin, so these two combined is honestly what I've noticed to really help my skin throughout the summer. And surprisingly, it stays on all day. Like, I've went hiking with this, you guys. I know you're not supposed to go hiking with makeup, but I did, and it went so well. My skin was glowy all day. And next I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Tan. And I'm just putting it in places that I need the most for concealer. So under my eyes, on my T-zone, and then I just like to use the brush that it comes with to just conceal under my eyebrows. I don't conceal on top of my brows just because I've noticed that when I conceal under my brows, it kind of just gives it a lift. And then I'm just blending it out to the rest of my face. Then next I'm going in with the Laura Mercier setting powder and just setting underneath my eyes and around my mouth area or anywhere else that needs to be set. I don't like to do it all over the face usually, but whatever's left over on my sponge, I'll just kind of move around the face just to take away some shine. And then I'm using the same setting powder to just set my eyelids to get ready for eyeshadow. And because my setting powder does make me just look a little gray, I go in with my Studio Fix powder in the shade NC45 just to get my skin back to its original state and to kind of just lock everything in. I know it's extra, but trust me, it really works and it keeps your foundation lasting longer. Next, I'm going in with my Dark Deepest Mineralize powder from MAC. This is my favorite bronzing powder just because I can't find anything else that is not so red on my skin from anywhere else that blends really well like this does. So this is where things do get easy. I just take my bronzer and I use it as eyeshadow. I'm just putting it in my crease and just my crease. I'm not putting it all over my lid. I'm just sticking to the crease from the inner corner to the outer corner and then just building it up until I am comfortable and happy with the way it looks. Hello! And I did forget to mention I am using this brush from MAC, which is the number 286. So that's what I use for my eyes. And then I'm using it for contouring my nose and also my lip. And if I forget to mention anything throughout the video, just check down below in the description box. That's where I will have everything listed. And then for blush, I am using Melba from MAC with the 113 powder brush that is also from MAC. And honestly, I do really like blush. I definitely always have to use blush no matter how glowy, no matter how summery the look is. And then for highlighter, I'm using Oh Darling, which surprisingly fits me now because honestly, it never used to like work with my skin. But oh well, I will use it and not question it. And then for blush, I am using the Sigma in F25, which I would honestly, this is the only Sigma brush that I own, and I really like it. So, and for the highlighter, I'm definitely putting it on my cheekbones and then right above my brows, on my cupid's bow, my chin, and also my nose. These are all the places that I really like to glow. I have really dry skin, so if I look greasy, yeah, I'm okay with that because I really just want to look, not greasy, I guess, more like shiny. You know what? I just want to look like I drink water and I mind my business. And for my nose and brow highlight, I am using a smaller brush. And okay, I lied. I do own another Sigma brush, and it's the E40 brush. And I just like to use more concentrated brushes for areas like that, just so I have more highlight applied onto those areas. And then to finish off the eyes, I did throw on a brown liner from MAC in Rich Experience. And then I am smudging it out with a 239 brush and also my bronzer just to make it look softer. Also, I did throw on a black liquid liner. This is the liquid liner from NYX. I wasn't supposed to have a wing liner, but honestly, I really do like the look with the wing liner. If you don't want to do a wing liner, you can definitely skip this part because it is honestly absolutely not necessary at all. And then for my top lashes, I am using L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in black. And then for my bottom lashes, I'm using MAC Cosmetics Extended Play GiGa Lash. It is water resistant. That's the only reason why I have a second mascara for my bottom lashes. Whenever I spray my face with Fix Plus or I sweat, my lashes do bleed onto my cheeks. And using a waterproof mascara, I've noticed definitely helps prevent that. And then this step is not necessary, but if you do love lashes like I do, then I'm just using the Demi Wispies from the drugstore. Any lashes would do for this look as long as they're wispy and they look natural, because we're going for, honestly, screw it, we're not going for simple, because do you see that ring liner? Definitely not going for simple. So this is my favorite part, doing lips, because that means that I'm done with my makeup. But for lips, I am using a brown lip liner from MAC. This is the shade in Cork. I really like the fact that it is yellow base brown, which is honestly ideal for a nude lip in my opinion, just because you don't have a dark brown lip liner overpowering your nude lipstick. And then for my lipstick, I'm just using half and half lipstick and putting that right on top of my lip liner. And then I'm going in with a clear lip gloss that's also from MAC, but honestly, you can use any clear lip gloss as long as it gives it a shine. And then last but not least, just Fix Plussing my face using the coconut scented Fix Plus. And now I'm acting like I'm somebody, just, slow motioning everything just so y'all can see my look. Um, This is the part where I just talk very awkwardly because there's nothing to distract you guys. So, hello. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you like this look, and yeah. Bye.
This is the look you like? Thanks. Oh wait, I like to.